I thought we'd have a little bit of fun on Scratch and share some knock knock jokes. So the first thing you need to do is find a knock knock joke because you're going to then code it into Scratch. Now let's have a look at this example here. Hi Dino. Hi Frog. Do you want to hear a joke? Yeah, sure.
Knock knock.
Who's there? Canoe. Canoe who? Can you help me with my homework? Oh, sorry I asked. Now, it's a very simple code, and to find out the code, what's really great about Scratch is that we can go across over here and we can go see inside. And you can actually see the coding that's used between the two sprites. So of course the first sprite is the frog, and he says, "Hi Dino," and he waits for 2 seconds. Now the reason why he waits for 2 seconds is because the dinosaur, it's actually called the beetle, but he actually responds. And so that's why they have a little conversation. So one of the characters speaks and then they wait for 2 seconds. And while that character's waiting for 2 seconds, the other character speaks. So it's really important to put those 2-second wait in there in between each. Otherwise, you'd find they're talking on top of each other and that wouldn't be very good. So you can actually see, do you want to hear a joke? And it's got the knock knock. So what you can do is actually change it to be your knock knock joke. So I'm going to say tank, and then this one will be, so it's knock knock. Who's there? Tank. And the dinosaur's going to say tank who, and he'll say you are welcome. And then if we go across to this one over here, he's going to say hi frog. He's going to say who's there. And he doesn't say canoe who. He's going to say tank who. Let's have a quick look.
Knock knock.
Okay. To make this your very own though, I think you can actually go a little bit further. And let's change the characters. So I think we might have, oh, I really like the dog. So I'm going to have the dog. I'm going to get rid of the frog and we're going to have the dog. So rather than, there's a lot of code there, rather than getting all that code and typing it all out again, we can pick it up and just drag it over to the dog, and there's the code. So now I can actually get rid of that and put the dog there. But of course now, if we have a look at the beetle code, he's still calling it a frog. So we're going to have to change all of those words and go, hi dog. And I think we could probably change the dinosaur. Make it your own. So find another character. And we might have, oh, I really like this one. Let's have the hippo. So let's go to the Beatles character, get that code and dump it in the hippo. So now we've got the hippo, so we can get rid of the beetle. So we've got the dog and the hippo. Now what we really should do is code it so they're actually facing each other, and I'll leave that for you to work out how to do. I'm sure you do know how to do that. So now we've got the dog and the hippo, but again we've got to change because they're calling each other the wrong names. Hi hippo, and down here hippo. Now you can change all this wording around. It doesn't have to be hippo loves my jokes. You could say something else. Wait 2 seconds. Hippo thinks I am funny. And we just need to put an O in there. Hippo thinks I am funny. All right, so you can also then change your background. What could we have? Where could they be? Oh, we're in an auditorium. Okay, so we've got the dog and we've got the hippo doing their knock knock joke. It looks like in a big foyer. So have a go, play with yours. I'm looking forward to seeing how you code your knock knock joke, and make sure you share it on the page, on the Class Dojo page. Have fun.